Welcome to our channel. Today we how to integrate Twilio SMS into a no-code app step by step clearly. First, log into your Twilio account or create a new one if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to the Twilio console. Here, you will find the Get a Number option. Click on it to purchase a phone number that will be used for your SMS services. Select a phone number that supports SMS. After purchasing, note down your Twilio phone number. Next, head to the dashboard in your Twilio console. On the dashboard, locate your account SID and auth token. You will need these credentials to integrate Twilio with your no-code app. Now, open your no-code app builder. Navigate to the Settings or API Integration section of your platform. Look for an option to add a new API integration. Choose to add a custom API. In the required fields, enter your Twilio account SID. Next, enter your auth token in the designated area. For the endpoint URL, use the following format: https://api.twilio.com/2010-04-account/your_account_SID/messages.json. Replace your _account_SID with your actual account SID. Now, set up the method for your API call as post. In the body of your request, format it to include the necessary parameters. You will need to include to, from, and body as parameters. To is the recipient's phone number. From should be your Twilio phone number. Body contains the text message you want to send. Save your API configuration. Test your integration by sending a test message. Ensure the recipient receives the SMS. If successful, your Twilio SMS integration is now active. Make adjustments to your no-code app as needed to enhance user experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.